KeepKey Wallet versus Trust Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. In this video, we'll compare the features, target users, and strengths of these two wallets to help you make an informed decision. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet built for secure offline storage of cryptocurrency. Its primary appeal is its emphasis on simplicity and security, with offline private key storage, PIN protection, and recovery seed backup. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, KeepKey is ideal for users with smaller portfolios who prioritize security over functionality. Its integration with Shapeshift allows for in-wallet trading, offering a convenient way to exchange assets without sacrificing security. However, KeepKey's limitations include a relatively narrow range of supported coins and lack of advanced features like staking or DeFi integration, making it better suited for long-term holders rather than active traders or investors. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a hot wallet designed for versatility and ease of use. It supports over 4.5 million digital assets across various blockchains, including NFTs, and integrates seamlessly with DeFi platforms and dApps. Trust Wallet is a mobile-first solution, perfect for users who need access to their crypto portfolio on the go. Features like staking, in-app swapping, and integration with decentralized exchanges make it ideal for those who actively manage their assets or participate in DeFi ecosystems. While Trust Wallet offers convenience and a broad range of features, its reliance on online storage means it is inherently less secure than a hardware wallet like KeepKey, making it more vulnerable to hacking risks. In conclusion, KeepKey Wallet is the better option for users who prioritize security and simplicity, particularly for holding major cryptocurrencies offline. Trust Wallet, however, excels for users who need multi-asset support, on-the-go access, and advanced features like staking and dApp integration. Your decision ultimately depends on whether you value the security of a hardware wallet or the flexibility of a hot wallet. Check out the links in the description to learn more about these wallets and decide which fits your crypto needs best.